Whitecap Crawl Space Encapsulation System has the solution for your crawl space, with a variety of liners made specifically to give you a dry, healthy, and energy-efficient crawl space. To understand which Whitecap product is right for you, first identify the type of crawl space you are working with and its unique challenges. Once you decide on the material, you will need to consider the thickness or mil of the liner as well. For example, if your crawl space has a gravel base and moisture issues, then you should use a reinforced liner that is 20 mil or higher with a drainage matting. Reinforced liner is a multi-layer polyethylene with cord reinforcement to resist tears and punctures. Solid and durable, this product stops moisture and gases. It also comes in 12 mil or 20 mil, so you can cover both the walls and the floor of your crawl space. Non-reinforced liner is a single-layer plastic that only helps against moisture. It is easily punctured and torn, and most contractors use this product as a quick fix that doesn't produce lasting results. Woven or interlaced liner is moisture-resistant and stops gases. It also has more than double the tear resistance of reinforced liners. Finally, you can use a radiant polyhybrid liner. This 90 mil product is zero permutation when it comes to moisture and gases, and it is a radiant barrier. Drainage matting should be used in crawl spaces with previous or current water concerns, gravel substrate, and if the crawl space will be highly trafficked. Dehumidifiers should be used in wet or humid crawl spaces. Whitecap Crawl Space Encapsulation System has the best products to tackle any challenge in your crawl space. Don't just encapsulate your crawl space, cap it with Whitecap.